All right, so we've taken apart a bunch of parts on this car, but we're going to show you how to take out your front seats. So basically we're going to start with the passenger side right here. There's a little beauty trim cover. Make sure that your seat is all the way back when you do this. So it's all the way back, and then this just pops up like that, pops up like that, and you're going to grab a 14. And the 14 takes that bolt out. And it takes that bolt out, and then you're going to move this seat all the way to the front. Okay, and then you're going to see these beauty trim covers right here. If you grab the front of it, these ones are a little weird to get out. You kind of feel like you have to break them to get out. But they pull out of the front of the rail like that. And then this one, same thing, just kind of grab under it. And then you're going to want to pull back. And then grab your 14 again. So once you have all four of those out, I always like to slide the seat back so that the seat rail is like the same size as the seat, so you're not dealing with extra space when you pull it out. So once it's like centered, basically just like that, I'll rock the seat back, and then you'll be able to access the harness on the underside. So if you want to get in there. Okay, so then once you rock the seat back, you're going to see this harness coming up. I always start off with the airbag plug. I'll do that one first. I don't know why. There's no reason. I just do it. And then there's that plug. And then this other white one right there. Same thing. Kind of put that in there. Twist it. And then I just always cut the clips, because I feel like it's easier to zip tie them up after. And you don't have to worry about like ruining this harness, because this is really thin wiring. So if you pull on this too hard, it will fail. So I'll just cut these 3 clips in here. That frees up, and then we have the last plug. And there you go, your seat. And I mean, when you grab this, try and grab, there's like a little metal plate under here. It'll give you a nice handle, and then just rock it on its back. And then you're gonna spin it forward and relocate and grab the rail and just spin it out like that. And there you go. Passenger seat is out. Let's do the driver's seat. All right, then basically driver's side, same way. Pull the plastic pieces out on all 4 corners, and then pull the 14s out, and then release the harness. And there you go. Same thing. Might be a little easier if I show you how to do this on this side. So rock the seat back, and then you're gonna grab the metal brace in here and lay it flat, and then once this seat portion is by the B pillar, just roll it forward, and then you kind of just wiggle right out. And there you go. That is how you take your seats out of your G35 and G37 sedan.